Hello guys, how are you doing today? I have a i3 BMW and we're gonna do a oil change in it. So in order to do the oil change, you have to go to the back of the vehicle and once you get to the back of the vehicle, you open the trunk and this like a cover. You have to remove this cover. You got this like a kind of bolt. You have to remove one. It's like a T20. You got to really be careful. They're really gentle. Otherwise, you could like broke the screws or damage where you get like remove the screws. You got to really like going slow with them. So once you remove the cover, you put it away. So most of the electric cars and hybrid, you need to deactivate the like a high voltage before you working in it, but for this one it's just the oil change. You don't really need that gun to deactivate the high voltage. The only thing, everything is orange over here, you don't touch it. This is where you check your oil, and this is where you pull your oil. That's a you have to remove it. Right here. So you open it and you have to tap off your coolant. There's two coolant system in this car, one for the high voltage, one for the regular coolant. The regular coolant is on the front under the hood. So now we're gonna bring the car up so that I could drain the oil in the oil filter. To drain the oil, you can use like a Allen socket number 8 to drain it. Drain right there. You can see the oil is draining right now. So the oil is like pretty much clear. You know, it's a hybrid. It's not using it all the time. Most of the time you're gonna see that like the oil is like pretty much clear. You can use your regular pliers, something like that, to get the filter loose. Once you get the filter loose, take it off, let the oil drain. The filter is down right now, so that's your no filter. Remember to put some lube around it. Make sure it's sealing like properly. And you have to install the new one. Remember, you got to tighten it by hand because you don't want to over tight the filter. After that, pull your drain plug back. Remember to change the gasket seal for the drain plug. Once you finish to tight everything, and you have to put the car down, and it takes like 2.6 liters for the up. 2.6 liters. Okay guys, right now we're gonna put 2.6 liters on the engine. Right now it's only 2.6 liters, and it's 0 W30. You have to put 0 W30. So I think that's all for today. Thank you to assist me doing the oil change, the i3. Have a great day.